Hello and good evening. I'm Amanda Alfonso. You're watching Goa 365. Our headlines for the day. Churchill Alamau all set to join Congress for the second time, also to merge Save Goa Front. BJP youth wing to follow governor with black flags wherever he goes. Veterinary directors refuse to disclose precautionary measures undertaken to arrest bird flu in the state. Mixed reactions to cricket selectors dropping Saurav Ganguly and Rahul Dravid. And Ruchika's art gallery displays works of 40 Goan artists. Now the news in detail. The Congress have finally agreed to allow merger of the Save Goa Front into its fold in the coming days. With the merger, the Congress strength in the House will go up to 18 members.
But there were some apprehensions, there were some confusions which has been cleared, and ultimately Congress has become stronger with the merger of Save Goa party into the Congress fold. No resignations have been accepted by it.
How is the function going to track properly in the government?
There were some problems, I would not say, but God is great.
The merger of the national and the regional party came in the backdrop of the revolt by two NCP ministers and an independent MLA along with 6 others. But with the vertical divide within the rebel group, the revolt fizzled out, with each group now trying to get the best of the bargain. Vishwajit and NCP ministers are bargaining with the Congress and the NCP party high commands to allow them to withdraw their resignations, while the group led by Talegaon MLA Babush Monserrat is trying to get SGF MLA Reginaldo Lorenzo inducted into the cabinet. With Vishwajit trying equally hard to induct MGP MLA Sudhin Daulikar, who earlier held the PWD portfolio, which is currently headed by Churchill Alamau, SGF Supremo, to preempt their move, agreed to merge his party with the Congress. That is not all. Varka Strongman seems to have not left anything for granted, as he has managed to bring home a huge chunk of the bargain. It is learned that Sonia Gandhi has agreed to maintain his seniority in the party, retaining both the Alamaus in the cabinet and assured tickets to both the brothers and also Reginald Lorenzo at the next elections. Speaking to Goa 365, Churchill Alamau claimed that the Congress president has acceded to most of his demands and hence the differences have been ironed out.
What is my SZ scrap? And this double airport is written. So only one point is remain, is a Roman script. So he said, I'm going to do. So my manifesto is clear, and I asked my all workers and all, and they agree.
Save Goa Front, formed in March 2007 under the presidency of the then expelled youth vice president Siddharnath Buyao, with active backing of the Congress MP then Churchill Alamau, with an eye on the General Assembly elections. After announcement of the election dates in May, Churchill quit the Congress and overtook the reins of the party as the president. Out of the 18 seats Save Goa Front contested at the assembly elections, only 2 emerged victorious. Churchill defeated Congress candidate and long-sitting MLA Luisino Falero in Navaling constituency, while Alex Reginald Lorenzo defeated another Congress stalwart Francisco Sardina. As he was not inducted in the Digambal Kamath-led government, Churchill Alamau was part of the group along with the BJP to topple the government in less than a month of its formation. However, as the coup failed, he extended support to the government and was sworn in as a minister and was allotted PWD portfolio. Thereafter, Alamau wanted Congress ticket for his daughter Valanka to contest parliamentary by-elections. This was not acceptable to the Save Goa Front party functionaries, because of which General Secretary Dr. Wilfred Mishkita and Vice President Siddharnath Buyao resigned as primary members of Save Goa Front. As the second MLA of the fledgling party, Reginald Lorenzo refused to join the Congress. The merger did not take place, and in the bargain, parliamentary ticket for Valanka was denied. The recent revolt against the government seems to have come as a blessing in disguise for Churchill.
Surely Churchill Alamau will now be talking highly and sweetly about the Congress, but to brush up our memory, let's hear what Churchill had to say about the Congress party.
गोयच्या लोकांगेले सातपर इश्यू आहाय किंतु सोनिया गांधी कांय उलयलें ना. एअरपोर्ट गोंयकारांक मोपा देव. सोनिया गांधी कितें म्हणटा, एअरपोर्ट दाबोलीचो अपग्रेड करता. म्हणून आज काँग्रेस जर डबल उलयता, त्या काँग्रेसचे कोणा त्या काँग्रेसचे कोणा हा विश्वास आहा. 96 smuggler, every year is there. If I am not in Congress, I am becoming a smuggler. If I am in Congress, I am very good man. I think if you go to see, the Congress is finished Goa. But these people, communal class, they ruin Goa, finish Goa. So this Safe Goa front will be further along.
खंयची पार्टी गोंयकार पण सांबाळपाचे ना गोंयकार सांबाळटलो तुवें आनी हांवें आमी गोंया सांबाळपाक जाय आनी पार्टी चोवपाचे न्हय ते पळपडे मनीस आहा जे आमी सेफ गोवा पळय म्हणटा ते पार्टीचेर सेफ गोवा फ्रंटाचेर तुमी तयार राहा. My leader Parikar is going to be the chief minister of this coalition. And I got a full faith on him because my party people, when I was a member of parliament, our ex-party people in Congress, they told me Parikar is gone for he's doing some communal things, and they shown me one cassette and I was not here. And I also thought and I made a mistakes by...
Now let's recollect what the congressman had to say about Churchill Alamau.
Ethics Committee of Lok Sabha's order dated 13th March 2006, in which Mr. Churchill Alamau was indicted. He was suspended for 3 months. The Chakravyuh scam sting operation took place on 19th December 2005. Now he is our adversary and it's our right to tell all good things and bad things about our adversary.
What I am today saying is, this man is talking about saving Goa. For whom and from whom? It is from him that Goa should be saved, if I may say so, in this campaign. And I am asking the people of Goa, what are the issues Churchill ever raised in Parliament? The people of Goa have to decide whether they themselves should save themselves from leaders like these, who change parties, who have no qualms of conscience. And it literally reminds me of Judas in the Bible.
So Congress is not concerned who is leaving or not leaving. Congress is concerned that we will select the best candidate so that the result will be good in Goa. That is our main aim.
We have lots more coming up after the break. Stay with us.